how much money do eBay dropshippers actually make? This is a question that gets asked a lot, and I'm here to actually show you real proof and show you my sales and answer your question. So this is one of my newer accounts I launched, I gotta say about February this year, and it's done really well. I've scaled it not to too high of a level, but it's a nice level I can maintain it, and this week I just want to show the sales that I've got on it. So if we actually hop over to my sales, from the 22nd of March to the 29th of March, which at the time of recording was recent, I did about $7,909, so we'll say $8,000 in sales. But as you guys know, sales and revenue and profit are two different things. So it wasn't too bad. I did have a little bit of a spike. I roughly do about 1,000 a day. As you can see, that day we didn't, and we actually dropped to about 500. And then the last day, I don't know what happened. I just did not sell anything. $200 I think I did that day. But roughly $1,000 a day, that one spike of $2,000 a day, and we did roughly 8,000 that week on this account, which for a brand new account and one that I'm trying to maintain, not scale too high, I think is pretty good. So what I want to do now is I want to hop into a Google Sheets. I'm going to break down all the numbers, all the selling costs, the revenue, expenses, and I'll actually show you how much profit I made. Okay guys, so we're back. I just quickly did a quick Google Sheets. I checked the revenue that we made, which was pretty much $8,000. So the selling cost, this is the eBay fees that we pay per item sold, and the ad promotions that we ran on that item, and the PayPal fees. The product expenses is the cost of the actual product that we're shipping to the buyer. So if we add those two together, we do get $6.5 thousand. And to find the profit, we're literally just going to do some simple maths. B2, B1 minus B5. That will give us our profit for that week, which is $1.5 thousand. Not bad. One, this is a brand new account. Two, it's an account that I'm not trying to actually scale too high. And again, that's for a week's worth. So if we can keep this up, that's close to $80,000 a year just on this one account, which is really good. And honestly, for a week's work. And please keep in mind, I only work about 30 minutes a day on this account. So if we do the maths, that's literally 3.5 hours, and I've got paid $1.5 thousand. So eBay dropshipping is not dead. eBay dropshipping is viable, and eBay dropshipping is profitable. So get on it as soon as possible.